In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view pages side by side using Canva. If you're anything like me, you appreciate the satisfaction and practicality of being able to see all your design pages at a glance. Whether you're working on a multi-page project or simply want to ensure your designs maintain a cohesive look and feel, this video is for you. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, head over to canva.com. Once you're there, sign in using your login credentials. You'll find the login button conveniently located in the upper right corner of your screen. For your convenience, Canva offers several options to log in. You can choose to sign in using Google, Facebook, or simply provide your email and password. Pick whatever method works best for you, and let's get started on our design journey. Once you're logged in, go ahead and select the project you want to work on. With your project open, you'll want to navigate to the bottom right corner of the Canva editor. Here, you'll discover a handy icon that resembles four squares. This is your key to unlocking the grid view. Go ahead and click on it. By clicking this icon, you activate the grid view feature. This displays all the pages in your project in a neat, tiled format. It's as if you've laid all your pages on a big table, allowing you to see everything at once. This view is perfect for when you need a comprehensive overview of your project. Now that you're in grid view, here's where the magic happens. You'll discover that you can drag and drop pages to rearrange their order. This simple action helps you visually compare and organize your design, making it easy to move things around until you achieve the perfect layout. It offers a fantastic hands-on way to tweak your design flow. The grid view doesn't just stop at rearranging, it's also an invaluable tool for ensuring visual consistency and cohesion between different pages in your project. Maybe you're designing a presentation deck, a brochure, or an ebook. Whatever it may be, grid view gives you the perspective you need to ensure everything looks just right. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to view your Canva pages side by side. Using this feature can truly enhance your workflow, providing you with clarity and creative control. Remember, organization is key to any successful project, and with grid view, you have a powerful tool at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Canva. Happy designing!